guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming my Allure Beauty Box for January unboxing. If you like this makeup look I have on, I did just film my self-love Valentine's Day look. You can check it out right here. So let's see what's inside this box. Gorgeous, look at her. So, routine fresh. New year, new routine. So this kind of has like a little peep of what the products are inside. Okay. And you do get a $10 off store credit. I love that because when they do have mystery bundles, I will purchase them to do unboxings. So I'm gonna set that aside for me later. Cute. Okay, first thing I see is this is the Blake Brown Wild Nectar Santal Fundamental Nourishing Mask. I think this is Blake. Oh, it smells good. Blake Lively? Is that her name? Blake Lively's beauty hair care brand. I actually have the mousse from her and it smells so good and it works really well. I wouldn't say it's like a crazy outstanding product. I tried it, I liked it. I don't know if I'll purchase it again, but this is interesting. The smell is really, really nice. It's a Santal smell with a little bit of a deep sweet, and the packaging is interesting. Not really my style, but it's definitely an interesting packaging, and I love a hair mask, so I will 100% put that in my shower and give that a go. Next is the Mitchell & Peach English Growers Body Soufflé. Okay. A body lotion, a little travel size. I guess it's bigger than a travel size, but I'm gonna use some of that now. Super fresh, okay, very thick, lovely. It's a little minty, the smell. Unless I'm smelling something else. I might be smelling something else that I had on my hand. I don't know. But it's like a very light, fresh smell. So that's cute. Next, okay, is the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. Ooh, Paul Mitchell reminds me of like when I just became a teenager. I feel like Paul Mitchell was the salon to go to. Everyone loved Paul Mitchell. Like if you went to a Paul Mitchell salon, you were like that girl. So kind of curious that these products are coming back around. Ooh, it smells like a watermelon lollipop. Oh, that smells so good. Got a little in my hand there. And then we have up to $200 off Factor. I was trying out HelloFresh and I actually canceled my HelloFresh membership. At first I liked it. It was a lot of work to like keep up with the meals, but then my last two deliveries got totally ruined. Like one was delivered hours late and everything was melted. The vegetables were all soft and gross. The meat was like barely cold. They did credit my account, so I did get one more round of boxes, which I'm working through right now. And same delivery issues, like the salmon I had was punctured open, so there was like salmon juice everywhere, and it's just becoming more of a hassle than ease. And like also there's a ton of packaging with every meal kit. It's like little plastic things of mayonnaise instead of just like a jar of mayonnaise. I don't know, so I did cancel my HelloFresh. And then this is 130 off Good Chop, a butcher thing. Anyways, so next in this box is the Levitate Beauty Hydrogel Under Eye Mask, Cool and Hydrate. Who doesn't love an under eye mask? You can't go wrong getting these, that's amazing. And then we have the Sculpt Tape Contour in Medium Cool Bronze from Tarte. I do believe I actually already have this product, so I'm gonna set this aside for my little gift bin. And lastly is the Obagi Hydrate Facial Moisturizer. Cool, I'm pretty sure Obagi is like a spa brand. I feel like I've seen that sold at dermatological offices. Oops, well, the cap flew off, but there it is. Very thick. It has no smell, but it smells like product, you know? But it doesn't really have a fragrance to it, so I'll definitely give that a go. That is what was in my January Allure Beauty Box. If you guys like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you so much for watching.